What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. I want to show you how you can close this pass-through window from kitchen to the living room. Alright, first thing you need to do to make a schablon for yourself is make your job easy. So this is a piece of cardboard we put on the window and with the pen, so we made the mark, and after that we use that and put it on the drywall and make a mark on the drywall and cut it. So this is a piece of drywall, we cut it, and we're gonna put that on. So let's make it ready. So here we're gonna put the 3-piece 2x4 to the wall. So one piece here, so we're gonna make it to left side, one in the middle and one in the right. Then 2 more pieces, we put it like a cross, and just for we can have a place to put the screw and secure the drywall to the 2x4 in the back. So we want to make sure it's level and we have enough space for both sides for the drywall. And I'm not talking anymore, let's watch the video.
ای روشنی صبح به مشرق بنگر ای ظلمت شب با
Here you go, it's done. As you see, you can see it was something here and we fill it up, so we have to patch it again, so we cannot see that mark on the wall. Anyway, if you're interested, subscribe. So I'm gonna make a video how to patch the drywall. Have a great day.